Hello everyone, my name is Seth Rosenthal, and for my final project I chose to do the pros and cons of forest fires. The reason that I chose this topic is that I've always been very interested in how natural disasters can have a rejuvenating effect on the environment. Another reason that I chose this topic is that I've always been interested in the resiliency of ecosystems and how they're able to experience a rebirth after natural disasters. Wildfires are relevant to our course content because they affect a variety of different systems of the earth. They affect humans, plants, animals, soil composition, the atmosphere, and the list could go on. My personal connection to this subject is that I've seen the after effects of a forest fire firsthand. For the last 12 years, I've taken a fishing trip to the Boundary Waters, which is a nature reserve in northern Minnesota. During one of our trips, we saw entire islands charred, just like the picture, from forest fires. The really interesting part is that when we returned to those islands the next year, you could barely even tell there was a fire. The main thing that I learned while researching this subject is that there is no clear-cut answer of whether forest fires are good or bad. For that reason, I will highlight one interesting pro and one interesting con to forest fires. The pro that I chose is that a variety of different plants use forest fires to their benefit. Several different species, including the Cape lily, which is featured in the picture, wait until forest fires clear other vegetation and then sprout quickly in their absence. Other trees, like the lodgepole pine, again in the picture, are charred by forest fires and develop a thick outer layer to protect them from insects and fungus. The con that I chose is that forest fires can create a water repellent layer of soil, as you can see in the dark black layer here. Forest fires do this because many plants have water repellent substances in them, which are called hydrophobic. When the forest fires burn the plants, they vaporize these hydrophobic substances and redeposit them into a new layer of soil. Clearly, this is a problem because the health of the soil as well as plants rely on how well the soil is able to retain water. The one thing that stood out most to me is that humans often cause unnatural forest fires, hence Smokey the Bear. We start them by carelessly discarding a cigarette or not putting out a fire. We are also causing forest fires as we continue to encroach on natural environments. The important thing to remember is that ecosystems have maintained themselves far longer than we have been around, and we need to make sure that we are not doing undue harm to them.